Take you on a quick tour of 3422 Vision Way. It's my most recent listing and it is live on the MLS. It's got a few hidden features that I will go over once we're inside and out of the wind. As you can see, we're experiencing our first snowfall of the year. So some of the hidden features that are not apparent are the benefit of it being no strata fee. So that's pretty significant. Obviously, it's got a nice wide open modern floor plan, front balcony. Won't go out there simply because of the wind right now. And gourmet kitchen. One bedroom on the main. Heading upstairs now. Oh, sorry, bathroom on the main as well. Heading upstairs. We have the primary, which is gorgeous. Great big huge ceilings, as you can see. Gorgeous double sink master ensuite with custom enclosure and rain shower head. Linen closet, super organized. Also another one of the features, main bathroom. Another one of the features that are not apparent here is all the furniture that you see here can be included. So certainly a negotiation point, but definitely we can include that. So it's set it and forget it, easy peasy. First time buyers, you can have all this furniture. And we'll head downstairs to the fourth bedroom and backyard area. So this would be perfect for teenagers or anything like that. They've got access to a backyard, decent sized patio, no maintenance grass. Got their own washroom. Again, perfect for guests. And then right out here, you've got your garage, which is pretty significant. Again, you'd have storage space all in here, as well as storage over here. (3422) Vision Way. It is a townhouse, however, it behaves more like a half duplex or 1/3 of a triplex. That is to say, there are no strata fees at all, so you get all this gorgeous brand new living, and unlike townhouses that compare to it, you're gonna save $200 or $300 a month just in your strata fees alone. So again, here we are back to the main living area, luxury living.